Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Zaatar Crusted lamb backstrap. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 500 grams of lamb backstrap. So I've just got one long piece here. And you want to make sure it's nice and clean, there's no sinew or anything on it. So what we're going to do is cut this up into small pieces. So we'll go probably about 10 centimeter pieces like that. And we're going to get them all the same size, because we want to ensure even cooking. Alright guys, so next we'll start working on our marinade. So just into a small bowl, we're going to start by adding in 2 tablespoons of dried thyme. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red sumac, and we'll top this up with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we just want to give that a good mix and get it well combined. Just like so. And we'll add our marinade straight to our lamb. And we just want to give that a good mix and get it well coated. Just like so. So I'm just going to cover this with some cling wrap. We're going to place it into the fridge for at least 4 hours. You can leave it overnight if you like. And then we'll come back and cook it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to char grill these. So on a medium to high heat, I'm going to go ahead and put these straight on. So we want to cook these for around 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how well you like it. In my case, I want to go for around medium, so I don't really want to go past that. Now if you don't want to grill these, you can pan fry them as well. You can even put these into the oven and roast them. Alright, so after about 4 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and flip these. Alright, so it's been another 5 minutes on this side. And so we can check the temperature. It's still a bit soft. That means we're around medium rare to medium. So I'm going to pull these to the side and let them rest. If you did want to cook them all the way through, obviously leave it a bit longer. And then we can go ahead and serve. Alright, so we'll start off with one piece. And just look at that. Looks perfect, doesn't it? Alright guys, so that's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and serve it with some pilaf rice. And there we have it guys, I've just served it up with pilaf rice on the side. So you can drizzle some olive oil or some lemon juice onto it if you like, but it's not really necessary as it's packed full of flavour. Now you don't have to serve this with rice, you can obviously have it on its own as an appetizer. With bread you can make a sandwich, or of course you can make a salad with it. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.